What's up, guys? It's Malavi Vlogs. It's my first vlog, and today we're starting off great. My charger just broke. My phone's at 21. And yes, I'm recording on my phone until I get a camera. But today we're going to be riding BMX. And I think my bike's outside, to be honest. I was just riding it. Yeah, my bike's outside. I was just grinding this. Hold on. I was just grinding this ledge over here. So this is my bike. Right there. My bike. I was just grinding this ledge over here. I have a dirt jump over there. Let's see if it focuses. I was doing that. I can do the whole thing right there. From there. From there to there. So yeah. This is my first vlog. And I'm probably going to do a bike check right now. By myself, yeah. And then later on today, it's about 11:30. Probably around 5, I'm going back to Kingsburg to my mom's house. And we're going to be riding street, me and my friends. So I'm going to set it up so I can record myself doing the bike check. This is my first video for Malavi Vlogs. I'm a BMX rider, just trying to start off. I ride street a lot. That's what you're going to be seeing. Sometimes we ride to like the skate park and stuff. I live in Kingsburg, but right now I'm in Fresno with my dad. And I'm doing a bike check. And then later today I'm going to film some street riding and I'll upload that tomorrow. But this is my bike check. So here I got the United 4-piece bars, the Volume camo grips. I think they're a signature, but I don't know who's the. I don't have any bar ends. I ordered some online. I have the Sunday Freeze stem. I have a Haro downtown frame painted yellow, matte yellow. The Odyssey pedals, Haro cranks, Haro sprocket, the TMC chain, I think that's what it's called, and some Odyssey pegs, a Colt pivotal seat with the I don't know, I got this one from my friend, the pivotal seat post, and then the signature Dugan 2.3 tires. I just got them yesterday. They're Odyssey. The back rim is Haro with the, it's not, I don't want to say custom hub, but it's not the Haro hub. It's actually blue in the back, like